How to use configuration files on Safety Suite Device Configurator. To create a configuration file on SSDC, first choose the device you will work on, and then go to the settings of your device. You can see the option on the right bottom is Save as File. You can click there and download the configuration as SSC file. To apply the configuration file to other device, go to Device List, click on 3 dots. There you need to select View Instrument Configuration File. This will open the configuration file, select Apply to Device. And select the serial number of the device that needs to be configured and then click on Apply. Thank you for watching.